A fruitful start to the day. Understanding English vocabulary for fruits and vegetables at breakfast. Hello, wonderful English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a colorful and nutritious part of our morning routines, fruits and vegetables that we often have for breakfast. In this video, we will learn about the English names for common fruits and vegetables and how to use them in sentences. This way, you'll be ready to discuss your morning routine in English with confidence. The breakfast table often boasts a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Let's start by familiarizing ourselves with their names. Some common fruits you might enjoy in the morning include 1. Apples. 2. Bananas. 3. Oranges. 4. Strawberries. 5. Blueberries. 6. Grapes. And the vegetables often seen at breakfast might be 1. Tomatoes. 2. Avocados. 3. Cucumbers. 4. Spinach, in your smoothie or omelette. 5. Mushrooms, common in cooked breakfasts. Now that we know the names, let's use them in sentences. I love starting my day with a banana and a cup of coffee. I usually have strawberries and blueberries with my cereal. My breakfast often includes an omelette with spinach and mushrooms. I like to add slices of avocado and tomato to my toast. Lastly, it's crucial to know how to ask and answer questions about our breakfast habits. Here are a few examples. What's your favorite fruit to eat in the morning? Do you like to have vegetables for breakfast? How do you usually eat your apples? Whole, sliced, or in a smoothie? You can answer these questions using the vocabulary we have learned. For example, I love having grapes in the morning. They're so refreshing. Yes, I do. I usually have avocados with my breakfast. I prefer my apples sliced and served with a bit of peanut butter. And that's it. Now you have a healthy portion of English vocabulary about fruits and vegetables for breakfast. Don't forget to practice these words and sentences, and soon you'll find it easy to talk about your breakfast habits in English. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English learning videos. Happy learning, and bon appétit!